Most people struggle with meditation and to meditate because they can't stop thinking. They sit down to practice, and instead of peace and bliss, all they experience is mental noise, emotional overwhelm, and self-doubt. What if transcendence didn't require years of effort, but access to the right frequency? Crystal bowls are such an amazing tool for elevating your consciousness, transmuting emotions, and clearing mental chatter. They are one of the most direct gateways into altered and expanded states of consciousness. Traditional meditation techniques often require discipline, repetition, and long training to reach transcendence. That state beyond waking, beyond dreaming, and sleeping, where the nervous system deeply rests. But sound works differently. When you hear the sustained harmonic resonance of the crystal singing bowls, your brainwaves begin to entrain naturally to the frequency. The body gets soft, the breath deepens, and mental chatter naturally decreases. You're always going to have thoughts. If you don't force transcendence, you can entrain into it. And the transcendent state, it's not just mystical, it's actually measurable. Even short periods of deep meditation absorption help regulate stress chemistry, rebalance emotional states, and restore cognitive clarity. When we transcend through sound, emotional charge becomes quiet, self-doubt becomes quiet, the nervous system recalibrates, we're recharging ourselves. Consciousness expands beyond identity and our story. This is why sound meditation is such a powerful tool for raising consciousness. It gives people direct access to stillness without fighting with their mind. I'm Kaylee, and for over 20 years I've worked as a teacher, mentor, and a guide in meditation, sound healing, and higher consciousness development. And what I've seen repeatedly is this. When people are given structured sound practices, not just random playing, but intentional frequency systems, their emotional stability and clarity increase dramatically. Sound becomes a method, not just an experience. If you're interested in studying sound meditation or studying sound healing and becoming a practitioner of this most amazing, powerful practice, check out the links below. I have a whole program devoted to aspiring sound healers who want to go deep into the work and become certified sound healing practitioners. I also have just created the Crystal Bowl Mastery course where you can become a crystal bowls practitioner. And I'm different from most people out there. I go much deeper, and from what I'm told with all these programs that people take is that they just go through the surface level of just basic how to play, where the bowls come from, and that type of basic surface knowledge. And what I do is I go deeper. I go into the healing practitioner and what it's like to be a healer and how you can affect the outcome of a healing session by being you and having presence and working on yourself. It's not the crystal singing bowls that heals people. It's the work you do on yourself. Sound meditation is the foundation of this practice. So if you're interested, check out the links below. I also have a sound healing community that you can check out. The links are all below, and I hope to see you on the other side.